What's going on, YouTube? So today in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm building a bridge across our creek, a pedestrian bridge slash maybe my UTV bridge. We'll see. So I got these trees that I cut down a while back when I was clearing some property. Cut them to roughly a little over 16 feet in length, and they're Virginia pine trees, southern pine, yellow pine. I don't know. We got a lot of different names, but it's a pine tree. So basically, I got to hook it up to the tractor, drag it on down, and about a quarter mile into the woods, and get these things across the creek there. Now, before I even do that, or as I do that, I have to clear a trail and clear the other side of the creek so I can make sure that I can get the tractor over there. So stay tuned. Pretty cool video. This is part one. There's going to be a part two down the road. So make sure you subscribe and follow what's going on. Cool? Let's go. So this is where the trail is. It's over here and it goes a long way up here, and you can maybe just faintly see there's like a kind of like a dugout over there so the vehicles can cross over the creek driving through the creek. And what I want to do, I took the tractor and I kind of patted down a little trail so you can tell, but I want to put the logs across here and make my pedestrian bridge. So what I'll probably do is drill some holes with the auger, put some cedar posts in, bolt the logs to the cedar posts on both sides, and then continue the trail up through here. So now I have to build a trail. So I got the tractor over there, and I'm gonna go through and just try to make it so you can make it through here pretty easily. I got some trees I definitely need to cut down, like this one right here, take care of some of this right here, and then I can work on actually building the bridge. Oh, also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Really helps us out a lot. All right, so I cleared that path out. So what's gonna have to happen now is you'd be walking through here, and then base of the bridge is gonna be here. I gotta like kind of dig this out, and then it's gonna span across right over there, dig that out and make it all nice and secure. And then you cross the creek on the bridge, and then you come up here. I'm gonna take the box blade and make this less steep, and I cleared all this out here. I mean, this stuff was thick, man, but that tractor made short work of all these like smaller trees. I mean, you can see that right there. It just pulled it right out. The cool thing about that Piranha tooth bar is when it hits something, it digs in and like grabs it with those sharp teeth, and it just yoinks it right out of the ground. So again, you kind of come up through here, come around here, and then the range, I have a shooting range over here on the left. I just went through and I kind of cleaned some of it up a little bit. But you'd be walking right through here, then the trail leads to where the original trail is, and then you keep going. All right, so y'all saw how I did that. I had to throw the logs on the ground and then pick them back up with the chain on either side and position them. I put rocks down so that they didn't roll out of control and go like over into that little area or something. But now what I have to do is I have to excavate a little bit and get these positioned the right way. Probably put some kind of sealant on the logs, and then I'm going to take some cedar from like cedar trees that I cut down, probably drill into the ground with my auger, cement those in, and then bolt both of the ends on either side to those once they're positioned where they need to be. From here I can make minor adjustments by rolling them probably by hand and then using a hammer, or I don't know. We'll see how that goes. That's very optimistic, but we'll see. I'm pretty happy so far.